Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to shading text in Microsoft Word. So let's started. At first, open your Word document file. Firstly, then show the Word document is for. Then we can say a shading text. Now select from the text option. Now going to the home menu option. Now going to the shading option, then choose color. That's it. Then again, and the text option. Now for select. Now click for the shading option, then choose color. That's it. Then again, and the text is the same process. The apply. That's it. Then show the shading text in Microsoft Word. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.